First responders rolling up their sleeves today to receive a coronavirus vaccine. Paramedics and emergency medical technicians received their first doses of the Moderna vaccine. Today's vaccinations expand the number of groups eligible now to receive vaccines after starting with frontline healthcare workers. News Channel 3's Danny Romero has reaction from the first responders who were among the first to get the shot today.
Our firefighters, paramedics, and EMS workers have been battling this virus for months. Now we're hearing firsthand a sign of relief as they take their first shot of the vaccine. This is the day Brandon Wright from Palm Springs Fire has been waiting for.
I feel super fortunate and blessed to be one of the first ones to get this.
Wright believes the vaccine is a critical layer of defense against catching or potentially spreading the virus to patients.
Responders are most likely to be around it, so it's fortunate that we're getting the protection we need to be able to do our jobs.
Firefighters, EMTs, and paramedics have been on the front line since the pandemic began, constantly exposed to people who are sick, many of them putting their lives at risk.
It is everywhere out there, and it is so dangerous for our folks, and it will be really meaningful that our people can be protected so that they don't have to stay home because they're sick.
That's why Ronald Skyberg from Palm Springs Fire didn't hesitate to roll up his sleeve.
He said I have a heart history, so knowing that this illness won't necessarily affect my heart, now that I do have the vaccine, I feel more protected, and I just hope others do the same.
And as for how it felt to get it,
felt good. It was easy, like a knife and butter.
Even though these vaccinations are a positive step, firefighters say it's important to do your homework on the vaccine.
Don't give in to misinformation and do your due diligence so you can stay educated.
Meanwhile, the number of COVID cases in Riverside County continues to rise. It is taking a toll on the first responders.
But as we're seeing this progress, the people are getting sicker and sicker and sicker. So it's a rough time. But our members, all firefighters in California, we haven't missed a beat.
And as these first responders continue to treat patients with COVID-19, they're urging the public to do their part by wearing face masks, social distancing, and staying home. In Palm Springs, Danny Romero, News Channel 3.